If you're experiencing a timeout issue when trying to connect to a Minecraft server, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Make sure the server you're trying to connect to is online. You can do this by checking the server's website or using a server status checker tool. If the server is down, you will need to wait until it is back online. Step 2. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your connection on other devices or websites. If your connection is weak or unstable, try resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Open the Minecraft launcher and check for any available updates. If there's an update, download and install it before trying to connect to the server again. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block your connection to Minecraft servers. Check your firewall settings and ensure that Minecraft is allowed through. You may also want to temporarily disable your antivirus software to see if it resolves the issue. Step 5. Re-add the server. If you are still unable to connect, try removing the server from your server list and then re-adding it. Make sure you enter the correct IP address and port number. After re-adding, attempt to connect again. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to the service support team for further assistance.